everyone. Welcome back to SRBPS online classes. This is again Nisha Sharma going to teach you science for class 4. In last class, we have discussed about the types of teeth. In this class, we will discuss about the structure of tooth. See, generally students have problem in drawing the structure of tooth. That's why in this video I'll show you that how to draw the structure of tooth, and I will also explain the structure of tooth. So let's continue with the topic. For drawing a teeth, first of all we'll draw a W. And then we'll draw a sharp M on the upper side. To show the crown part, we'll draw a soft M. Now we'll draw the dentine. To show the dentine part, again we'll draw the same line, and here we'll draw one more line like this. You can erase here a bit margin for that, for making your blood vessels. And then you will draw another line. Then these are joined together. From here we'll draw gums. And here we'll have cementum. We'll draw along the picture. This is the cementum part, which help a teeth root to get fixed in the jawbone. So this is our tooth structure ready. Now we'll color it. Now you can see our teeth is ready. See, the part which is visible, the part which is visible is called crown. The part of teeth which is visible is called crown, and the part of teeth which is inside the gum, which is not visible, is called root. Okay, so now we are coming to the part of or layer of teeth. See, mainly teeth consists of 3 layers. These layers are: number 1, enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance of tooth. The upper white covering of tooth is called enamel, or we can say the outermost white covering of the teeth is called enamel. Now coming to the next layer, which is dentine. The layer of teeth which is below the enamel is called dentine. Now the third one part, which is the center of the tooth, and it consists of many blood vessels and nerves. This is the soft part of the teeth. This is called pulp. See, you can see here, this is the bone-like substance which is around the teeth, which covers the root part of the teeth, we can say. Okay, this bone-like substance is called cementum. This is called cementum. It fixes each tooth firmly to the jawbone. See, this all is jawbone. I can show you. This, which is under the gum, this is jawbone. So cementum helps a teeth to fix in the jawbone. Okay, so this part, this is your jawbone. This is your jawbone. Okay, so as I told you, see, pulp has so many blood vessels and nerves. So these are blood vessels through which blood is circulated in the teeth, in the pulp part of the teeth, we can say. And this is our nerves. I think it is clear to everybody. This is our structure of tooth.